Good morning, students. Me Indu, I am your science teacher. Today we have discussed our first lesson, living and non-living things. Living and non-living things. Here is activity of unscramble the words. You do it yourself at home. And next, now we read natural things. Natural things, things that are not made by humans. Things that are not made by humans. For example, the sun, moon, plant and animals, etc. Next is human-made things. Things that are made by humans. Its name suggests human-made, that are made by humans. For example, this is a pen. This is also made by humans. This pen, book, and etc. This is made by humans. Next is living and non-living things. Living and non-living things. All living things have life. And next is plants, animals, and human beings. All are living things. The sun, moon, pens, books, pencils are non-living things. This is a marker. This is also a non-living things. Living things are different from non-living things. Living are different from non-living things in different ways. These are some features. First is living things can grow. First we take example of tiny seed. When we grow a seed into a soil, this is first position, and after some time it convert into this, and after some time leaves are come. After some time it grow into a big tree. And non-living things do not grow. Here in book, next one example is more here of baby. Baby, after some time it grow into a child, and after some time it grow into an adult, and after some time it grow into an old person. Next is living things need food and water. For example, we are living things and we have need of food and water. But non-living things, for example, this is a pen. This have no need of food and water. Green plants. For example, in green plants also make their food, and all animals also get their food from other plants and animals. Animals get their food from plants and animals. Next is living things feel the changes. When we touch a hot cup, we quickly move away our hand because we feel. In animals, mostly having sense organs like eyes, ear, nose, tongue and skin. These are the 5 sense organs. By eyes we can see, and by ear we can listen, and by nose we can smell, and by tongue we can taste, and by skin we can feel. Some insects like cockroaches and butterflies have special body parts called antennae. These are the body parts are called antennae. They smell and taste with the help of antennae. Cockroaches and butterflies can taste and smell with help of their antennae. And next, plants do not have any sense organs, but they can feel the changes around them. For example, touch me not plant. When we touch the leaves of a plant, touch me not, it quickly grows their leaves. But in non-living things, it cannot feel. Thanks.